Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com, and our today's topic of internal medicine is gastrointestinal neuroendocrine tumors. We will discuss this topic in 5 sections. In the first, we will talk about the pathology and classification of gastrointestinal neuroendocrine tumors, the pathology overview and the features and classification. Then in the second section, we will talk about staging and prognosis of gastrointestinal neuroendocrine tumors. What are the causative factors and the genetic mutations that can lead to the gastrointestinal neuroendocrine tumors? Then in the third section, we will talk about the different types of carcinoids, appendiceal and small intestinal carcinoids, rectal, bronchial, and gastric carcinoids, carcinoids without carcinoid syndrome. So all that in the third section. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about the carcinoid syndrome. What's pathobiology of carcinoid syndrome? What are associated heart diseases with the carcinoid syndrome and the types and carcinoid crisis. In the fifth section, we will discuss the diagnosis, treatment, and side effects of the gastrointestinal neuroendocrine treatment. So all that will be covered in our today's topic. Keep watching sqadia.com.